Do you practice crop rotation in your home garden? If you don't, you should really think about doing so. Today I'm going to tell you how it works, how it helps your soil, and how to implement it in your home garden. Come on, let's go. Hey, how you doing today? I'm Rick Bickling. Welcome to the How Do Gardener. Today we're talking about crop rotation in the home garden. What is crop rotation anyway? Crop rotation is the practice of growing different crops on the same land, but different parts of that land in sequential cycles that range from 2 to 8 years. Farmers have used crop rotation for hundreds of years to help reduce crop loss due to insect damage, disease, and to replace essential nutrients back into the soil that plants that have just grown have taken out. It was first mentioned in early Roman literature, and George Washington Carver is widely credited with introducing the practice into the United States when he had farmers rotate sweet potatoes, peanuts, and cotton. What are some of the reasons you might want to practice crop rotation? The first is to cut down on insects and disease. Soil-borne pathogens and insects that attack one member of a plant family frequently will infect or attack other plants in that same family. Planting similar plants in the same location year after year tends to make the soil in that location much more prone to the diseases and insects that harm those plants. Another reason to practice crop rotation is for soil nutrients. Different crops take different amounts of different nutrients as they grow and produce fruit or vegetables. If similar crops continue to be planted in the same location year after year, the nutrients in the soil may well become unbalanced to the point where even the addition of fertilizer cannot correct the problem. Now, there is no hard and fast rule as to which plant should be planted after another in crop rotation, whether in a farmer's field or in the home garden. The most effective and really the easiest method of crop rotation involves grouping vegetables into 6 different categories of vegetables, each group having similar insect, disease, and soil nutritional characteristics. Never plant a vegetable from the same group in the same spot, one right after the other. For example, if this spring you plant tomatoes, a group 3 plant, in a particular spot in the garden, you could plant broccoli, a group 2 plant, in that same spot this fall, and then cantaloupe, a group 1 plant, in that same spot next spring. By sequentially planting cool and warm season vegetables, each from a different crop rotation group, you're really going to maximize the production of your garden and help it maintain good soil health. So let's go ahead and take a look at these 6 crop rotation groups. Group 1 contains the gourd family, which includes cucumbers, watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew melon, summer squash, winter squash, and pumpkin. Group 2 includes, from the mustard family, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, kohlrabi, collards, kale, Brussels sprouts, Chinese cabbage, turnips, and radishes. And also in Group 2 from the beets family, there's Swiss chard and spinach. Also in Group 2 from the sunflower family is lettuce and artichokes. Group 3 includes, from the nightshade family, tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, potatoes, and from the morning glory family, sweet potatoes. From the cotton family, okra. Group 4 includes, from the allium family, onions, garlic, leeks, shallots. From the beets family, beets. From the parsley family, celery, carrots, parsnips, and parsley. Group 5 is the grass family, and that's corn. Group 6 is the pea and bean family, and that includes snap beans, peas, cowpeas, and black-eyed peas. If you want to learn more about how to maintain the health of your soil, I recommend you click on my video up here that talks about permaculture soil science. It's pretty interesting, really.